Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, you are.
Morning.
So, yes. So it is. What is your class now? It is your science, no? As I am taking your science class. So today also science class now. So we will continue with the chapter. Which chapter we are doing? Which chapter we are doing? We are doing chapter number 6.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good morning. We are doing parts of a plant. Okay, we are doing parts of a plant, so I will continue with the same chapter. Okay, yes, students, tell me if you have any problem. Okay, you will tell me in the chat box. Okay, you will write in the chat box. Okay, so let us start parts of a plant. We have done the explanation. I have given you the explanation of some portion, only few things are left. I have also given the YouTube video, okay, video in the YouTube channel. You can see from there also. Okay, so I will start from fruits and seeds. This is from page number 40. Okay, fruits and seeds. Okay, so let us start from here. And all of you, before starting, all of you must have your book with you, science book and a pencil, okay, in your hand. So see here, we eat fruits of many plants. We eat fruits of many plants. Fruits are formed from flowers. So flowers, remember, flowers change into fruits. Flowers change into fruits. Okay, and one thing I want to tell you now, all of you must mute your microphone and switch off your front camera. Mute the microphone, please. Okay, so remember that fruits are formed from flowers, because flowers change into fruit, and inside the fruit there are seeds. Okay, seeds. From the seed new plant will come out. Okay, so fruits are formed from flowers. Most of the fruits have seeds inside them. Mango, cherry and peach have only one seed. So one seeded fruit, I can write one seeded fruit. It is mango, peach. Mango, peach. Okay, right, you should remember this one. Okay, orange, papaya, apple, they have many seeds. So many seeded fruit, many seeded fruit is, I can write papaya, I can write orange. Okay, this one, many seeded fruit. Now pineapples have no seed. Okay, very interesting this one. Name one fruit which have no seed. Name one fruit which has no seed. Okay, name one fruit which has no seed. Okay, so I'll write here answer pineapple. Okay, seeds are protected inside the fruits. So seeds are inside the fruit. So actually fruit is protecting the seed. Seeds are of different shapes, size and colors. Okay, seeds are of different shapes, size and colors. We eat some seeds like wheat, rice, gram and corn. So I can write
Sir, slide, please.
okay, No need of writing this one, okay? You know it is also in your book. So I can write here name some seeds, name some seeds that we eat. Answer is rice, gram, corn. Okay? Yes. These are called edible seed. Edible means that kind of thing which we can eat. Edible. Now, new plants grow mostly from seed. We know new plants are growing from the seed. Every seed has a baby plant inside it. Seeds store food for the baby plant. Remember this one? Seeds store food for the baby plant. When the seed gets enough water, air and sunlight, the baby plant starts growing. Okay, so when seed gets enough water, air and sunlight, the baby plant starts growing. The process of growing of a new plant from a seed is called germination. So I write one question here. What is germination? What is germination? What is germination? The process of growing of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Understood? Okay. This thing you will learn. Okay, another I will give one homework. Okay. I will give one homework here. Draw the germination of a seed. You can find this on page number 40. Draw. I will write here. Draw the germination. Draw the germination of a seed. Okay. You will draw this in your science notebook, means science copy. Okay. Draw the germination of a seed. Okay. So we have completed our chapter. So now I will discuss the keywords. Then we will do the exercise. Okay. So I will rub. Yes. So so I will rub the board now here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now see here, this is from page number 41, keywords. Keywords, you know, keywords are one word answer. One word answer. Okay, so how this will learn? You learn this sentence wise. Suppose I give you a sentence. The broad and flat surface of a leaf, the broad and flat surface of a leaf. Your answer will be, what is the answer? You will write here lamina. Okay, this way you will learn. Other things are this one, the green pigment in plant leaves or green pigment in the leaf. This is chlorophyll. Okay, then germination, the growing of a new plant from a seed is called germination. The seeds that can be eaten, they are edible seeds. Okay, this way you will learn. Okay, so we have completed, I have discussed the keywords. So I will rub the board here. Now we will solve the exercise. All of you must have your science book with you. You should have your science book with you and a pencil. You will do this in your book only. When question answer we will do, you will write with the science notebook. Okay. So all of you will do now. Now exercise. I will discuss the exercise now. Okay. This is page number 41 and 42. Okay. Number 1. A number 1. Okay. The dash are formed from flowers, leaves, stems, fruits. What is the answer? Leaves, stems and fruits. Answer? This is fruits. Fruits are formed from flowers. Number 2. The part of the plant above the ground is shoot, root, taproot. It is shoot. Number 3. What is the process of growing of a new plant from a seed called? Generation, germination, photosynthesis. It is germination, not photosynthesis. It is wrong. It is germination. Photosynthesis is different. Photosynthesis means the process by which the green leaves prepare food for the plant with the help of carbon dioxide and sunlight and water. Okay. And this is germination, the process of growing of a new plant from a seed. Number 4. A plant which requires support. Is it neem? Is it money plant? Is it rose? It is money plant. It needs support because it is a climber, you know. Money plant. Okay. Number 5. What do the roots of radish, carrot and turnip store? Chlorophyll, food, water. It is food. Okay. Now we will do the fill in the blanks. Number B. All of you will do this. You will have to write the word in the blanks. Okay. Number 1. Fill in the blank. A taproot has dash main root. A taproot has one main root. One main root. It will be 1. Number 2. Onion plant has dash root. Onion plant has fibrous root. Fibrous root. Number 3. Climbers have dash stem. Climbers have dash stem. Weak stem. It is weak. Number 4. Papaya has dash seed. Many or one. It is many seeds. Okay. Now we will solve the match the following. Number C. Okay. We'll do this one now. Column A. Column B. Column A number 1. Cabbage. Number 2. Wheat. Number 3. Potato. Number 4. Papaya. Number 5. It is carrot. Okay, column B, number A, it is seeds. Number B, it is root. Number C, it is fruit. Number D, it is leaves. Number E, underground stem. Underground stem. Okay. So we will do the match the following now. I think all of you will do, all of you are doing. Yes or no, please reply in the chat box. You are doing your work in the book. Yes. Yes, Subhashree. Yes, okay, okay, very good. Do the work in the book only, okay? Okay. Cabbage. Yes, cabbage. Cabbage. Column A. Cabbage. Cabbage will be leaves. Number 1. Okay. Wheat. Wheat will be seeds. Okay. Number 2. Wheat will be seed. Potato. Potato will be underground stem. 3. Okay. Papaya will be fruit. Okay. Carrot will be root. So I will once again tell you, cabbage will be leaves, wheat will be seeds, number A seeds, potato will be underground stem, papaya will be fruit, and carrot root. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now we will go to the next page, means we will solve the true and false now. Okay, we'll solve true and false now. So let us rub this number A. I will rub here, that MCQ. Okay. Okay. Number D, true and false. You can find this on page number 42 in your science book. Okay? Write T for true and F for false statement. Number 1. A plant is divided into two main parts, root and shoot. So what is the correct answer? Number 1, it is true. You will write T here in the box. Number 2. The shoot prepares food for the baby plant. The shoot prepares food for the baby plant. So it will be false. So F. You'll write F in the box. Number 3. Flowers change into seeds. Flowers change into seeds. It is false. So I'll write false or F. Okay. Number 4. The stem keeps the plant straight and upright. The stem keeps the plant straight and upright. Yes, it is true. Okay. So I'll write here T. Okay. So we have completed today exercise A, B, C and D from the exercise of chapter number 6. Okay. Today up to this much we have done. In our next class, we'll continue with the question answer, very short answer questions, all are there, E, F, G. Okay, we'll continue from very short answer question of the exercise of chapter number 6. So, okay, thank you everyone and goodbye. Okay, before going, okay, all of you will give your, before going, thank you everyone, goodbye to everyone.